Namaskar, you are watching Amrit News from Patna. The Center for Public Policy of Chandgupta Institute of Management, Patna, in collaboration with the Georgia Institute of Technology, Atlanta, GA, USA, is organizing the third International Conference on Public Policy and Management, ICPPM 2025, with the theme Building Resilient Communities, Local Governance as Catalyst to Sustainable Development in Patna during June 25th and 26th, 2025. The Deputy CM of Bihar, Honorable Sri Vijay Kumar Sinha, will be the chief guest in the conference to inaugurate the conference. Professor Anjali Thomas of the Georgia Institute of Technology, Atlanta, USA, will be the distinguished keynote speaker. She will participate and deliver the keynote address at the conference. Professor Charles Hankla of Georgia State University, Atlanta, USA, will address the conference as a distinguished speaker. The purpose of the ICPPM 2025 is to bring together scholars, implementing agencies, policymakers, change makers, and development organizations from India and abroad to discuss the latest scholarship and innovative practices related to public policy research and governments to ensure sustainable development, especially in developing regions. The conference is expected to focus on how insights from all these discussions as well as ongoing collaboration among the participants can contribute to economic and social development in Bihar in a sustainable way. Selected papers will be presented by scholars in 4 different sessions. Scholars, researchers, policymakers, change makers, and implementing agencies from India and abroad will take part in the conference. Academicians and researchers from different academic institutes in India like IIM Ahmedabad, IIM Bangalore, IIT Kharagpur, XISS Ranchi, MIT World Peace University, Ravenshaw University, Chanakya National Law University, St. Xavier College, Kolkata, SR University, Warangal, and government institutes like Bihar Institute of Public Finance and Policy, Department of Commercial Tax, Foundation of Ecological Security will take part in the conference. Representatives from international specialized institutions like Landesa and Landstock will take part in the land policy roundtable along the representatives from academia and policymakers. Representatives from local self-government organizations, Bihar Rural Livelihood Promotion Society, and Center for Catalyzing Change will take part with senior policy makers to share their field-level experience in the panel discussion. Subscribe Amrit News for global peace. Thanks for watching. Ranjan Kumar Amrit News, Patna, Bihar. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Vande Mataram.